You should go up there and
This
is Mallie. Yeah, we should. I just want to see if it'll do it one more time.
It was sliding.
This is Mallie, and it's sliding on its perch.
And it's a boy girl.
Hello, Mallie.
Aloha.
He's biting the plant.
How is it? Yeah, this one's kind of mischievous. Oh, maybe it's gonna slide. Can you slide? You want to do?
Holly, want a cracker?
He slides in the top one.
Yeah, he does. Maybe he's going over.
Oh, you gonna do it?
Just do it once for me on video. Hello. Hello.
He didn't.
All right, I guess I'll catch him later.
He just didn't.
Now it's eating. Bye bye. Aloha. Aloha.
Oh, here it goes.
Go do it. Oh, it might slide.
Like this.
Here it goes.
Here he
He's gonna
goes.
do it.
Whee! It rides down the slide.
It's funny.
Yeah, it is funny.
Whee!
You can see the veins in its wings.
That's
Can
cool.
On the top.
Thank you. Whee!
That's cool.
That's cool. Thank you.